In the next module here, we're going to work on setting up a project folder to save our work, keeping it nice and organized so it's easy to find, and we're also going to add our reference image plane. Now, usually when it comes to modeling something in 3D, there's usually 4 to 5 different image planes added into the project at every angle to help build our 3D model more accurately, such as a car where it needs 4 different reference images, like the top, side, back, and front views. But for our racing car rim, we only really need 1 image plane to work with. Yes, multiple views would be extremely helpful, but when it comes to 3D objects like a car rim, you're really just focusing on those reference images that you saved to help get the desired results. So let's jump right in here, and we're going to go to our side view. We're going to go to View, Image Plane, Import Image. And I'm going to go here to my desktop where I saved the file of the Volk racing rim that I want to build. Now, in the description of this video is a link where you can download the same image so you can follow along. Okay, so I'm going to open up my image reference, and right away you can see the image is quite small. Now, if yours isn't small like mine, it's probably because I set my units to centimeters. And if you need help with unit setup, leave a comment, and I'll make sure to build a separate video. All right, so our image is a bit small, but we're going to fix that in just a moment. But for now, let's focus on building our project folder to save our work. So we're going to go to File, Project Window, and it's going to open up a tab where you can create a new folder and set a location on your computer as to where you want to store your work. So we're going to click on New, and we'll give it a new name. We're going to call it Volk Racing Rims, but you can give, your project any name you want. We'll click on the folder icon to find a place to save our new project. I'm going to open up my custom Maya 2019 folder that I made, but you can actually find a place anywhere. I'll click OK. Then I'll click Accept. Now, whenever you save your project, it'll be saved in the folder that you've created. In this case, I'm calling it Volk Rims. Then I'll click OK. All right, so next we're going to resize our image plane. In the layer editor, under the Shapes tab, we're going to go to the width and height. I'll select them both, and I'm going to resize the image plane to 250. Okay, this should be a decent size to start with when working on the car rim. All right, great. So in the next module, we're going to build the actual car rim with 2 of the same shapes. Now, these shapes are going to help make our 3D composition come to life. So we'll get started on that next.